The balance between boundary setting, control, and loving awareness. Let's imagine this situation. A man and a woman arrange to meet, perhaps to cook something together, plan something, paint, experience SEH together, or go for a walk. Intimate touching initiated by the man occurs, perhaps a kiss that felt pressured or touching that was clearly too intimate. He has gone one step too far for her. The time together was beautiful and harmonious until then. Should and can the woman forgive the man's attempted hit-on and continue to enjoy the time afterwards, perhaps with a little more caution, clear boundaries, and more awareness of each other? How much forgiveness and trust do we want to give a soul? How often may something happen that violates our own clear rules? And what percentage of narcissist is in each head, whether our own or the other? And how many unresolved hurts and fears are there in the aura of a soul? And at what point does setting boundaries become an addiction to control? Forgiveness is not a one-sided act. It requires both souls to find a new direction afterwards. It is often agreed that communication with each other must be a quantum leap more honest, so that the shaky trust can find support for a new foundation. On the other hand, this must not be a reason for constant mistrust. Questioning the other is not always a precautionary, wholesome and positive quality of human beings. It can lead into deep realms of shadow. For both it is a balancing act that can only be solved with the greatest possible openness, with mutually balanced respect for each other and a lot of love and empathy.